Assalamu alaikum. So for the first course for spoken Palestinian Arabic for absolute beginners, we will look at or we'll study the course in two parts. First part for reading, learning all phonetics, letters and how we connect the letters, vowels and so on. The second part, how we build a basic sentence. So in the second part, we'll learn most important, most common 25 verbs with around 50 vocabularies and very basic grammars. I will show you the first part. So here in the first part, in every slide, I will introduce you a word. I will pronounce the word. Then the next one will be, for example, we have here Raml. Then I will show you the next word, and you can pause here and try to guess what letters you saw before, what are the new letters. Then you listen to the pronunciation, then move on to the next slide. Here, for example, you have to pause and look at the word, write it down, and see if you already saw or if you can recognize any of the letters. This way, you will learn effectively. So the first part for learning how to read, I will introduce words in slides. Every slide will have one word. In this word, you will learn how to connect the letters, the pronunciation and the vowels. Now moving to the second part. Here I will introduce you new vocabularies, new verbs, new nouns, one by one. So for example, this one is beit, means house. Then we'll talk about el beit, the house, beiti. Then we'll add it with verbs like, for example, I want to go to my house, and so on. So my recommendation here is when you see a sentence, for example, like this one, pause the video, write it down, try to read it, then listen to it, and move on. The next slide, you do the same thing. You just stop. You see if you can recognize any of the words here, if there is any new word. So this way you can learn, let's say, actively, and of course will be more effective. Let's see if we are introducing a new thing. For example, this one, a new letter, a new prefix. Just write it down and try to make sentences with this. So okay, I hope you enjoy the course. Feel free to write me email, to write me comments if you have any issue or any suggestion. So you are very welcomed. Yalla, shukran.